Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I brought you a crispy peanut aloo bites. It's a evening snacks. Let's see how to prepare this. In a pan I'm adding half cup of peanuts. Roast well. It's done now. Switch off the flame. Cool it completely. Add to the blender. Add ginger, garlic, green chilies and blend coarsely. Don't blend it smooth. The consistency should be like this. Add to the mixing bowl. Now I am adding chopped onions, coriander leaves, boiled and smashed aloos, that is potatoes, salt as per your taste. Mix it well. Now I am adding rice flour to give the crispiness and adjust the consistency by adding the rice flour accordingly. Don't add all at once. Now sprinkle the water and adjust the mixture. The mixture should be thick. The mixture is not thick, it separates in the oil, so the mixture should be thick. Now heat the oil, make small balls and drop in the oil. If you make the balls earlier, due to the dryness, it will not come properly. This is a very instant, quick snack recipe when the guest comes. For this, there is no need of besan, maida, anything. With the less ingredients, we can make the snacks. As soon as you drop in the oil, don't mix it as it splatters. Fry till it becomes golden color. Now crispy aloo bites are done. Remove from the oil. The mixture consistency is thick, it will not absorb oil. Now peanut aloo bites are ready to serve. I am serving with tomato ketchup. I hope you like today's recipe. If you like this recipe, please like, share and comment. If you are watching for the first time, please subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching Healthy Homely Foods.